The Very Bad Day by Mary Packard, illustrated by Joy Ellen. I woke up today and fell out of bed. I stubbed my toe, I banged my head, I put my sweater on the wrong way. Today is a very, very bad day. I went to see Katie and she was not home. I went to the park and did not see Jerome. Where are my friends? I want to play. Today is a very, very bad day. I left the park, I went the wrong way. Today is a very, very bad day. I went home and what did I see? Jerome and Katie had come to see me. Jerome and Katie are here to play. Today is a very, very good day. The end. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!